Hey everyone, it's Colette here with a video on 10 boring but realistic work from home jobs that are always hiring. If you're thinking about escaping the 9-to-5 grind and working comfortably from your home, today's dive into practical, dependable jobs might be just what you need. These roles may not be the most exhilarating, but they offer stability and flexibility many dream of. Before we dive deep in, please hit the like button and subscribe for the channel. Share this video with your friends who are on the job hunt. And let's explore these viable work-from-home options that are always open to new applicants. First up, let's talk about remote meter readers. Now, I know it doesn't sound like it's the most exhilarating gig, but hear me out. This job is all about analyzing utility data to help companies cut costs and reduce energy waste. Perfect for those who love data and prefer peace over chaos at the workplace. With an average salary ranging from $45,000 to $60,000, it's not just a steady option, but also one that pays well. Let's talk about one of the most straightforward yet essential roles available from home: the data entry clerk. This job requires minimal technical skills but demands attention to detail and accuracy. As a data entry clerk, you'll be tasked with inputting various types of information into electronic formats. This could involve entering customer details for businesses, cataloging inventory items, or updating records. The work is flexible, often allowing you to set your own hours, making it ideal for those who need a flexible schedule. Pay ranges typically from 10 to 20 per hour, providing a reliable source of income for those straightforward tasks. Websites like FlexJob, ClickWorker, and MicroWorker are great places to start looking for data entry jobs. Next, we have hotel reservationists. You help people book their dream vacation, all from your living room. This role involves handling bookings, responding to inquiries, and ensuring guests have a seamless experience. Salaries typically range from $30,000 to $40,000 a year. Plus, you might just snag some sweet travel discounts. If you're a people person with a knack for customer service, this role could be your ticket to a stress-free job environment. Another fantastic option for remote work is becoming a virtual assistant. This role is perfect for those who are organized, proficient in managing schedules and communication, and also handling multiple administrative tasks. Virtual assistants support businesses, entrepreneurs, or teams managing emails, scheduling appointments, or even handling social media accounts. The versatility of tasks means every day can offer something different, keeping the job interesting. Depending on the complexity of the task and your experience, pay can range from $10 to $25 per hour. Platforms like Fancy Hands, Time, etc., and Belay provide gateways into the world of the virtual assistants, offering both part-time and full-time opportunities. Moving on, we clean up the internet with a job as a content moderator. If you're tech-savvy and have a thick skin, this job could be right up your alley. It involves overseeing social media platforms and forums to ensure content adheres to the community guidelines. With a median salary of $35,000 to $50,000 is critical for maintaining safe online spaces and offer decent paycheck for your effort. For the word wizard out there, let's talk about proofreading. If typos drive you nuts and you have an eye for detail, why not get paid to polish up written content? Proofreaders ensure that everything from blog posts to corporate report is free of errors. Depending on your expertise, you can earn between $25,000 and $50,000 a year. It's a job that lets you put your perfectionist trait to good use while working from your home office. Now, let's get the numeral with virtual bookkeeping. This job paid between $30,000 and $60,000 and involved managing financial transactions and ensuring accurate bookkeeping for businesses. Ideal for those who love numbers and orders and will get satisfaction from keeping everything balanced to the penny. Switching to the healthcare field, we have medical coding. This behind-the-scenes role involved translating medical records into standardized codes using billing and insurance. Its detail required precision and pays well, with salaries ranging from $35,000 to $60,000. If you're meticulous and enjoy stable, structured work, this could be a great fit. Don't overlook the role of a customer service representative. This job involves assisting customers, solving problems, and often being a friendly voice on the other end of the line from the comfort of your home. With pay ranging from $25,000 to $50,000, it's a fantastic entry point into remote work world for communicative individuals who thrive on helping others. Lastly, we have transcriptionist. If you have fast fingers or even faster ear, transcription offers you the chance to convert spoken words into written form. This job is flexible, always in demand, and pays around $15 to $30 an hour. It's perfect for those who can listen carefully and type accurately. So there you have it. 10 stable and flexible work-from-home jobs that are always hiring. If any of these roles caught your eye, why not take the plunge and apply? Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't yet, and share it with anyone who could use this information. Thank you again for watching, and remember, your journey to a successful home office starts with a single step. Catch you in the next video. Until then, be freelantastic.